how to create a new Snapchat account. To create a new Snapchat account, you just need to simply follow some steps. The very first step is to download the application if you don't have it on your device. You may simply go to Play Store and download it and tap on Open. After that, sign up to create a new account. The very first step is to enter your name and press on Continue. On the second step, you need to put your birth date and press on Continue. On the third step, you need to choose a username. Remember to choose your username very wisely because it can be only changed once a year, and press on Continue. After that, set a password which is strong and easy to remember for you as well, and press on Continue. After that, you'll get an option where you need to put your email address or your phone number. I'm gonna put my email address and press on Continue. After that, you'll get another step where you can also skip the option. I already chose my email address, so I'm gonna skip this option. And you've created your account. On the very next step, you may just choose your friends. You may add friends, or you may just skip the step. And there you get an option to create your Bitmoji, which I'm gonna skip again. And there you have successfully created a Snapchat account. On your top left button, you can tap on it and you can see you've created an account called Genovative. You can press on your account and you'll see a QR code which you can share with your friends to make friends. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Snapchat account. Thank you for watching.